Apples, it's me, Miss Munoz. I'm here for day 2 of our lessons for this week. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, friends, our essential question. Who helps you? And our genre this week is informational text. That's nonfiction. We're going to do some word work. Yes, friends, that means our mouths are going to be working to make those words and sounds. And our story today is Thank You, Authors. And we've read a lot of amazing authors in our class. So, are you ready to get started? Let's get started. Okay, friends, let's look at our essential question. My helpers. Who helps you, friends? In this picture, we see a coach who's helping a baseball player. So in that picture, friends, you saw some real people doing real things in a real place. Friends, guess what? That means we're going to be talking about information, nonfiction stories, those informational texts. And those informational texts, friends, they have special features. Why? Because they give us important information. They help us understand the text. And guess what, friends? It makes the text fun. So, what are some of those special text features? Well, friends, how about a table of contents? That tells us what is in the book and the page it's on. Then the glossary. That tells us what words mean. We'll see some headings. We'll see some bold-faced words. Oh, friends, we remember this word. It begins with the letter C. Caption. Yes, friends, that's the little piece of text that tells us about a photo or a drawing. Labels. We might even see real photographs like the one we just saw. Drawings or even diagrams. And remember, friends, when we were studying the flower and how the flower grew? Yes, friends, that's a diagram. All right, friends. Today, we're going to be doing some word work, and we're going to be focusing on the straw card. Yes, friends, the straw. The letters AW make the sound. The letters AW make that AW sound. So it is a sound with our voice, and it's like if you're pretending to drink out of a straw. Ah, and you're drinking the sound in. And it does kind of sound a little bit like that short O. But friends, look at the different ways it can be spelled. It can be spelled with the letter A, AU, AW, AUGH, and AL. Oh, friends, a lot of different ways that the AW sound can be spelled. So let's look at some of those words. Now, the aw sound in the first words we see, awesome, awful, that's where we hear the aw sound at the beginning of the word. But that sound we can also hear in the middle of words, like d, aw, dawn. And we can also hear it in the middle in p, aw, s. Different spelling, friends. AU still making that aw sound. Now, this amazing sound can also be heard at the end of the word, like in j, aw, jaw. And friends, here it is, our magic st, r, aw, stir, aw. Yes, friends, our straw. Amazing, friends. So our story today is called Thank You, Authors, and it is an informational non-fiction story. Are you ready? Are your eyes watching? Are your ears listening? Are your bodies calm and still? Okay, I see you. You're ready. Thank you, authors. If you love to read, then you can thank an author. Authors help us to pause and make a picture in our minds when we read books. When you choose a book, think about the words inside. Is the book about a hawk? Is the book about men who will launch a rocket? An author uses all kinds of words. An author can cause you to think about a lot of things. A brother can read a book about a haunted house. A mother can read a book about plants or lawns. A father can read a book about bikes or autos. Some authors can draw too. They might draw a new land or a shark with big teeth. At dawn, you can wake up, yawn, and grab a book. You can call a friend and read together. What do you like to read? If you met an author, what words would you use? What would you say to him or her? You can say, thank you. Okay, friends, let's think about that aw sound. The letters A-W make the aw sound. It's with our voice. We can make it like pretending we're drinking with a straw. Oh, okay. Now, with that sound in mind and the story we just heard, what do good readers do, my friends? That's right, we reread. So we're going to reread. Here we go. Now, let's see. When we reread, can we find some words that have that ah sound? I'm going to reread. When you choose a book, think about the words inside. Is the book about a hawk? I hear that AW making my aw sound. Is the book about men who will launch a rocket? Launch. Oh, I heard another one. And an author uses all kinds of words. Friends, I heard a lot of all words in there, but I chose just to focus on these two. And the reason that they're underlined is in hawk, that sound is in the middle. And in author, the sound is at the beginning. Okay, friends. Now, let's conclude our lesson for today. Our essential question, who helps you? Let's think about that, friends. Do authors help us? Absolutely. They write amazing books and help us learn about all kinds of people, places, and things. So, I have 2 sentences for you. Your challenge. Are you ready to accept it? Find the words with the aw sound, like in straw. Here we go. Paul saw a hawk in the big tree. My dog almost caught the ball in her paws. Okay, friends, thinking rocks are up, and I know you're thinking of those aw sounds. So I want you, boys and girls, to have an awesome day. See you real soon. Goodbye, my little pineapples.